Goodman Error Code E2 indicates a failure in the outdoor coil temperature sensor, also known as the defrost sensor or coil thermistor. This sensor monitors the temperature of the outdoor coil during cooling and defrost cycles. The E2 error triggers when the sensor's resistance falls outside the expected range, typically between 10 to 100 kiloohms at normal temperatures. Common causes include wiring faults, sensor aging, lifespan of 5 to 10 years, physical damage from debris or electrical surges. Environmental factors like salt air or pollutants can also accelerate sensor failure. When this sensor fails, it can lead to improper defrost cycles, inefficient cooling, or system shutdowns, especially in heat pumps, where incorrect readings cause inefficient heating or cooling. To diagnose error code E2, begin by using a multimeter to check the sensor's resistance and compare it to the values in Goodman's manuals. Use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance. Compare the measured resistance to values in Goodman's manuals. For example, at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the resistance should be around 50 kiloohms. If the sensor is faulty, disconnect power to the unit for safety and then replace or rewire the sensor. Replacement sensors typically cost between $20 to $50. Remember to apply sealant to prevent future corrosion, especially in coastal regions. Regular HVAC maintenance, including annual tune-ups, is crucial for preventing E2 errors. Experts recommend professional checks every 1 to 2 years, as wiring issues often cause these errors. Consider smart HVAC systems, which use AI to predict sensor failures, reducing the incidence of E2 errors through predictive maintenance. Goodman is investing in self-healing sensors that auto-calibrate, expected in 2027 models, potentially reducing repair times significantly.